Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is SkyTech TV, your number one channel where we empower you with technology. And today we are going to be unboxing one of the latest gadget in the smartphone market, the Samsung A15. Let's unbox it. The phone comes with it's another box inside. So the phone comes with a charger, with a cable, just a cable itself, and we have the phone itself. This is the phone. It's a very sleek phone, as you can see. It's a very sleek phone. The phone is made up of a glass front, a glass back, and a plastic frame. I can also see that the phone has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. This phone looks amazing, and compared to the Galaxy A14, which used to, one could feel the scratchy sound, but for this it's glass at the back, making it very sleek and unique and very stylish. And this phone is very amazing, and for a budget smartphone for a beginner, this is the phone that you should go for. And here is the phone. The phone comes with Android 14 with user 6.1 interface. It has 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. Also, the phone has a 6.5 inch AMOLED display, which makes it a unique phone from Samsung that you can get on a budget of around 30,000 Kenya shillings. The phone also has a very great camera. As you can see that as you can see from my side, the phone has a very good camera, that is a 50 megapixel rear camera and a 13 megapixel selfie camera. Also, we can see that the phone is very nice, and as we can see that for a budget phone, this phone is worth considering. And that's it for today.